respect your body, want to be on the stage. Special thanks to Igolo international community, baby. I think we ask him all this Bangladesh to contribute kami. All two by kissing new space law. International community we all start lo bululo, all back kamanta here too na. So you respect them all. Thank you. We have the Yumi Yoga. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Nagut laban ng mga people limi labololo. For PLLG lo watut. Buang muming na bololo yung Papua New Guinea sa stop inside sa town. Thank you lo kam na witness in this day. Program din yung title leak. Mi understand in some place to stop it. Some district stop it. Kawan na premi all kira. Ino lo bololo taso so. Imi mas spending on pag time mi understand. Na all mas kira pa ego. Papa Wenge, last time I come, and Pamantap Luya, the email got a capsule of them there, and now I'm coming again. So you may be talking to put them low. You may can't go to Arab, but you may go to come back there because I've been come back there. I've been come there and now I'm coming. Also, so we brought to them as come back there. So me clearing the leak. Thank you. Message Lumi, and me put in no paper. Shot that as well. The Bulolo DA and the people of Bulolo district are saddened on the sudden passing of our governor and Songan, who was steadfast in his approach and spoke the people's mind and aspirations with clarity and authority. Our late governor was elected in 1997 and served 3 terms to 2012 and then re-elected in 2022. Governor Wenge was passionate and spoke on national unity and protecting the sovereignty of Papua New Guinea and the integrity of Parliament, including seeking number of Supreme Court interpretations. His debates in Parliament reflected genuine concerns of the people and the reality of enforcing laws and impacting on the lives of our people. At the provincial level, Governor Wenge wanted all districts and LLG and our people to benefit and displayed no affinity to any of our cultural groupings and ensured that needed services to be given priority. The debates in the Tutumang provided the strength and resolve for the voices of Morobe province to be heard at the national level and it reverberated across the country. Governor Wenge responded to the calls of the people of Bulolo to execute a supplementary agreement to the Hidden Valley Mine Memorandum of Agreement, giving 50% of the royalties to Bulolo district. Under his leadership, the Morobe provincial government supported the construction of Wau Biaru Garena Highway, the establishment of Bayun and Buang High School, and the police mobile squad 15 barracks. The people of Bulolo and the DDA acknowledges his strong views on benefit sharing from Hidden Valley and Wafigolpu mines, and the inclusion of Bulolo DDA and other DDA to be signatories to Resource Project MOA, our community development agreements. The Bulolo DDA has taken that position, including establishing a special development authority to undertake social and economic infrastructure and distribute other benefits to Bulolo, Wawaria, Minyama, and Huon Gulf districts. The people of Bulolo, Morobe, and Papua New Guinea will lose the voice and the beacon of light and the strength when the situation is cloudy and murky, or in times of instability, when the voice will roll, and in there some laughter, but in it wisdom and advice that set everyone at peace. Often his clarity and actions could tell us that we must listen to that voice. And that was from the ordinary people that boomed through Gawana Songan Lutau Wenge, Akisawa Wenge. As we celebrate our 50th anniversary of independence, let us also reflect on the contributions by late Governor Wenge as a public solicitor, acting judge, lawyer, public defender, and Governor of Morobe and leader of Papua New Guinea in politics, economics, and society. The people of Pololo express profound sadness and sorrow on the passing of this great leader, and our condolences to his immediate family and relatives, and of course, the people of Nawai and Nabak, where pleasure come up. Thank you, and God bless me.
Thank you, Member Lopololo. Your condolence message on behalf of the people. We now ask him, Deputy Prime Minister of Papua New Guinea, Honorable John Rosso,